This is the fashion corner, everyone. I've just put heaps of different options. And he's tired because we've been to the gym. Suck it up, buttercup.
Let's go. Come on.
Okay. Hello my olives, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a video with Fabian again. And basically I'm going to give him different themes and he has to make an outfit for that theme. So for example, a clubbing outfit, a shopping outfit, etc.
Yay! Woo!
The first theme is a casual everyday outfit to go to the shops or the movies. Third day curls, by the way. I didn't think they'd come through, but they came through. So I'll leave the room and he can talk to you if he wants. Are you gonna like try actually make like a nice outfit, or are you gonna try, what's your game plan? He's gonna try, and everyone, you know, everyone, I didn't tell you, everyone was impressed with your makeup skills and they thought that you should join the makeup guru community.
Really?
No, they were impressed. Right, guys?
Thank you.
So he has pressure to impress you guys again with his, not his makeup skills, but his fashion skills. I'm gonna leave the room now.
Oh. That with that and small tops, shorts, jeans, and this. Okay.
What have you picked?
That with this and this.
Oh, I'll put it on. All right.
I think I did a good job.
Yeah?
I like it.
I think the colours go well together. Oh, and he's chosen this bag. And what shoes would you pick? Just sneakers?
Just sneakers.
Yeah.
White sneakers.
Outfit 1.
Good job.
Rated out of 10, guys. I'd wear this, but it kind of looks a bit boyish. Like it's covering too much skin, maybe?
What about this? Huh? How do you do that thing?
He wants to tie it.
There, that's it.
This top, okay, so that's how he styled the t-shirt. See, that's a bit better because it's like a bit more girly for me, personally. But I give this outfit a
10 out of 10, thank you very much.
I give it, I don't know, it's good.
Yeah, no, it's good. It's a 10 out of 10.
I'll give it, just because it's the first one, I'll give it an 8 out of 10 and see if you can do even better.
It fits the criteria.
Yeah, it's really good. Okay, 9 out of 10. Oh, except the top. It undid. He pays attention, guys, to what I like. Oh yeah, there's headbands if you want to. I'm gonna go a bit opposite and say the next outfit is for the club. Clubbing time, sexy, sexy.
What? Alright, see you later.
See ya.
What is this? The hell is that? There's nowhere to put your arms. Just like a tablecloth or something. I don't know how you people wear this stuff. You bloody people. Okay. Don't know what this looks like. What? What? How do you wear that? How do you wear any of these bits of clothing? It's absolute disgrace is what it is. I'm gonna go with this one. That looks so scary. What the hell? It's like a like it looks like a ghost. That's the thing with half these things. You'll look at it and you're like, what the hell is that? And then you put it on and it looks good. Here you go.
Oh, thanks.
You're welcome. Enjoy.
So this dress is from Misguided. It still has the tag on it. I'll put it on.
What a lovely choice.
He's picking shoes.
Brown.
Okay.
Oh, that's too high. You can't wear those boots with them.
This is a midi dress, so long boots will like clash with it.
I choose you. Black leather. heels.
Okay, this is the clubbing outfit Fabian chose. He chose some ankle boots. It's really nice, but I don't know if I'd wear it clubbing because it's a bit like more formal. It's maybe like a fancy dinner dress. But yeah, it's a good outfit together.
How could you critique such a perfect and suitable outfit like that?
I reckon some people would wear this clubbing. I guess it depends.
Look at this. Look, you've got a lot of movement in here. You can look how free you can move. Wow.
This is how we dance at the club. The girl needs her bag to hold stuff in. Very chic.
Yeah, take a bag clubbing, do you?
Yeah, see, I feel like this is more of like a dinner outfit in the city with a black coat.
Then you go out clubbing.
Then you throw this away and you go.
And you go clubbing, yeah. That's it. That's the idea.
Good job, honey.
Thanks.
I rate this outfit, again, it's like really good. I will just add some gold jewelry. 9 out of 10.
Oh yeah! It's very easy to dress you because you look good in anything.
The next theme is a summer picnic in the park.
Well, every single bit of your clothes looks like a tea towels and picnic rug.
Oh.
Yeah, you got so many things that don't even have places to put your arms. Oh, they're called sleeves.
Well, not everything's like a t-shirt, and not everything's pants. Do you guys think I should do like a style my boyfriend video and like buy Fabian all these outfits and he has to try them all on? Yes or no?
Yes.
Let me know.
No.
Ah! I'm gonna break.
What's hitting? Okay, here we go. Summer picnic. Potential. Like it. Looks a bit like a tablecloth. What is this monstrosity? What is this? So what we're gonna do is we're gonna do something like a bit of this, bit of that. I don't know which way to go. I don't know which way to go. I don't know which way to go. Between these two. Between this one here and this one here. Looks like something for a child. Oh dear. I feel like this one here can go really, really good or really bad. This is the choice. With... Do you wear a big jacket with that? Wear overalls? What do you do? Bit of denim? Maybe a bit of denim. Denim, denim, denim. Denim, denim, denim. Alright, Olivia.
Ooh.
I didn't know what to go that goes with it, so I ended up choosing a denim jacket. But I don't know if it's gonna work.
I've literally worn that before. That denim jacket and that dress. That's probably why your memory like knew that I wore that.
Oh! Wow.
Okay, this is the dress on. I really like this dress. It's old from Glassons. I thought you might choose this for the picnic in the park. It's good for summer. It's flattering. And then if it's a bit chilly, he chose this denim jacket from Factory. And I've actually worn this outfit before, back in autumn, I think, or spring.
It was spring 2016.
And I would wear some white sandals with this.
I was thinking she should wear maybe some white sandals.
Did you fart? It smelled.
Definitely not. Alright.
Love this outfit.
10 out of 10 again.
10 out of 10 because I've worn this before.
I'm knocking out the park.
Next theme is an outfit to university / college if you're American.
They know what university is though. Trackies. Alright, that's your outfit.
Alright, so he's got this purple flannel t-shirt. It's kind of similar to the first flannel from the first outfit, but purple. Then this knit jumper. What?
I was lost for the top.
He says he was lost trying to find a top to go with these track pants. They're like an interesting blue-grey colour. Colours actually kind of go together, but I probably wouldn't wear these together.
What do you mean these?
These pieces together.
What pieces?
everything.
Why is that?
This is like a knit jumper. It's got like nice
Yeah,
sleeves.
then you take this off and you got a nice warm top. But it's not warm because it's cut low because it's a silly design. How ridiculous.
No, it's not bad. It's like, it still looks cute with some sneakers. Not bad, but I think this is your downfall, I'm afraid.
It's alright, I'm happy with it.
But I can still rock it.
You sure can.
And it's comfy and it's warm. I'm not really a big fan of purple, like this is all kind of purple, but this one's a 6 out of 10.
Oh golly.
Let me know what you think of Fabian's styling / fashion skills. I think he's paid a lot of attention to what I wear, so he had an idea of like, I like cropped tops and flannel tops and...
No, not really, it's just the only things that she has in the wardrobe, so...
The only things. I don't have anything in my wardrobe.
You're thinking too much of me. It's the only thing I could find.
Well, this isn't all my clothes, because my clothes are kind of spread out around my house because I can't fit them all in my room. So you worked with what you could.
Yeah, with what little I could.
Let us know what you think of Fabian's skills, what
Let
your
us
favourite
know.
outfit was. Oh, I'll say that this jumper is from Princess Polly, these are from Meshki, and this top is from Cotton On. My favourite outfit was... How many did we do? 4?
Mm-hmm.
My favourite outfit was... maybe the picnic one, because that's one I would actually wear. So in terms of what I would actually wear, that was the best one. But I loved the first one you made because that was really unique and very cute.
Oh, thank you so much.
With the black jeans and the t-shirt and the flannel.
Yeah.
So let me know if you want to see a video of me styling Fabian and buying him a bunch of new clothes, some snazzy new items. Don't forget to like this video if you enjoyed it. I know it's hard to enjoy when Fabian's in it, but make sure to subscribe if you haven't already.
That's so rude.
Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and check out my Instagram.
Wait, do that again?
Instagram.
Do you like make...
Instagram.
Do you make it appear or something?
Yeah, it goes diddly.
Oh, cool. Yeah.
Bye guys.
Exhausting.